how to fix Snapchat camera full screen problem. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps like this, and then go to Snapchat, click on force stop, and then go back to the settings, click on this wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 15 seconds and disable it, and then go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and update it. And you can do the same thing on the iPhone iOS. Just update your Snapchat and that's it. If the problem is not solved yet, even after all these, this means that you have to remove Snapchat and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.